Yeah, when Lilac and I were on our way over here, I was telling her how I used to love to get dressed up and made up for going out to the art shows and events, and how that kind of went away for a while in my life, but I'm trying to recapture that spirit. Like when you take time and attention to really care for yourself, that it's a way of showing like self-care, self-love.
Yeah, it helps you see that, because yeah, I can say, like, for me, like when I do my makeup, then yeah, it helps me feel like you already know you're beautiful, but it helps you feel that energy even more, and yeah, it really builds your self-confidence.
And it's a way just of showing that you love yourself and that you care enough to care about like how you look and how you feel. So I'm trying to get back into that, and Lilac's going to help me. Love it.
It needs more. There we go.
What do you think?
I think it looks good. Yeah.
Yay! Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
She's my makeup expert.
Yeah. What is your favorite kind of makeup when it comes to like parts of your face or your nails?
Something kind of like disco or club style, and definitely on the punk end of things.
Oh, okay.
So I like that kind of black circle around your eyes, and sometimes like something that's kind of glittery around my cheeks, and just kind of like,
And, like,
more of a
your nails,
techno kind of just glossy look on my lips and fingernails, maybe with a little bit of something sparkly.
Yeah. Like
So
the
kind of
glitter
like a
and
mix between club and punk.
that. Okay.
Yeah,
That's interesting. Well, I think that looks good with you.
kind of fits my
Yeah, it fits
style.
Fits your style. Like your like unique eclectic style.
What about you? How does
Oh,
makeup
wow.
inform your style?
Wow, I think, like, I would say I'm still learning about my, what style I like, but so far I like very goth, like very black, or like solid things that like show dark shades on like my eyebrows or like around my eyes. So far I really like doing solid colors with like that look very sparkly on like my fingernails, like this. And yeah, that's pretty much what my style is like. Pretty much goth, yeah.
We're taking a little break. Let's come get a bite to eat here in Irving.
Yep.
Get some drinks at the Fiesta.
Yeah, get some drinks and get some food.
Little Caesars.
Little Caesar's Pizza. Yeah.
I like spending time with my daughter because she's so creative. We can talk about things we enjoy, like art, film, pizza, even juices. Got some drinks. Actually, lots of drinks. Not just for us, but for the art show tonight. Next stop, Little Caesars for the hot and ready pizza. Irving's got this great small town vibe, which you can see in its shops. Hot and ready, the only way. A fun night was had, getting made up, eating pizza, dancing, and spending time with my daughter. Seeing art and hanging out around the cool kids. It just doesn't get better than that.